lesson, first lesson is we're going to talk about some troubleshooting with code.org. Now the first thing is sometimes you get to a lesson here where you see all these gray blocks and then you just see question marks in yellow. Well, that means those are the only things we're going to try. We're not going to try to add blocks because you see in the workspace here it already says 6 out of 6 blocks. So what we're going to do is we're going to just try to find out what the yellows are. So if I look here, how many times would I need to repeat this? It looks like I'm making a triangle, and there's 3 triangles I need to make over here. So I'm going to put the number 3 in here. Okay. Then I'm going to look at the angles. Well, it's a triangle, and it's 120, so I'm going to go 120 here just to see what happens. So if you notice, all I'm doing is changing the yellows. I'm not adding blocks, I'm not taking blocks away. And then when I run it, all right, I solved the puzzle. Nice. Now here, you have to do this 10 times. Okay, so it says use a repeat block, so I bring this over here. And see, it's all gray, so it has everything for me. And up here, if I look, now nest this loop inside another loop to draw 10. So let's try this. Try it. We'll just try it and see if it works. And remember, you can always speed it up. Okay? All right. So as it goes, it'll keep going a little bit trickier. Okay? But as long as you are following these directions up here, it says draw the sun by looping this whole block of code multiple times. So this one might take, some trial and error, or I go here and I look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I need to make 12 triangles. So I just change that quick to 12 and I'll run it to see what happens. Oh, look at that. All right, now here's a very important thing. A lot of the times you'll see this light bulb here. So it says, remember this shape? Now we're going to let you build it without giving you any blocks to start. Okay, so if I look here, I'm going to say, ooh. All right, I'm going to look here. Do I want a hint? Yes. Okay, so there are 3 triangles, 360 degrees. So that reminds me, oh yeah, I need to turn 120 degrees. But I'm going to go here. I know I need to make 3 sides. All right. Okay, so if I move forward, then I'm going to turn left. At 120 degrees, and it's just easier to type the number in instead of trying to drag that around. Okay. All right, so if I do that 3 times, it should go there. Then if I turn right, 120 degrees. Oops, gotta highlight that. Okay, and then I put this whole repeat, put all of this inside of a repeat, and I have to draw 3 triangles. So let's see if that works. Oh, so that I forgot to turn left there. So that's all right. So then I just try it again, and voila. So the moral of this story is use the light bulb for the hints. Okay? Use the hints. Remember, if you see the gray, you're not going to change that. You may have to add a block or 2, which is fine. And then like if you see yellow here, make sure that those are what you might need to change. All right, so hopefully this helps. And if you are really ever really stuck, go ahead, skip that one and move on to the next one, or you can always email me and I'll help you with that lesson. Thanks and have a good day.